Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Mi bands from Xiaomi are the most affordable fitness tracker which are available in the market right now. And today we have one more fitness tracker from Xiaomi and it's the Mi Hey Plus. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how it performs. So let's start. Hey Plus is the latest fitness tracker from Xiaomi which has a lot of new features. This fitness tracker is priced a little higher than the regular bands and right now it's only available in China. The price of this fitness tracker is approximately 5,000 rupees. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the Hey Plus branding and here is a picture of the band itself. At the back we can see it has NFC, heart rate sensor, notifications alert and it is also IP68 waterproof. And here we have the specification of this fitness tracker. Now let's open the box and see the content. On the top we have the fitness tracker itself. The strap of this fitness tracker is similar to the other Mi bands. We will look at the watch in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So here we have the user guide but it's in Chinese. And apart from that you only get the charging adapter. And this time we have some design changes. I personally find this better as you don't have to take out the tracker module again and again for charging. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's look at the fitness tracker closely. Xiaomi Hey Plus looks very similar to the Mi Band 2 as it has the same flat display design. You have the similar push button style strap which we have seen in the previous Mi Bands. The biggest change here is actually the display of this fitness tracker. And now for the first time we have a color 0.95 inch AMOLED display which is also a full touchscreen display. The resolution of the screen is 240 by 120 pixel. But it looks pretty good and if we compare the display quality, the output is very similar to the Honor Band 4. The main module in this fitness tracker is also detachable but you don't have to remove it unless you want to change the strap of the band. In terms of overall quality, the Xiaomi Hey Plus is very similar to the Mi Band 3 and Mi Band 2. The strap of the watch is of high quality and you have the flat design of the display which is actually better than the Mi Band 3 curved display. At the back of the module we have the heart rate sensor, 2 pins for charging and the Hey Plus branding. Now let's power it on and pair it with our phone. As we have mentioned earlier in this video that it's the Chinese version and there is no international or global version available as of now. The interface of the watch is in Chinese and the app is also in Chinese language. But we were able to get an English app for the same and also upgraded the firmware to English in few simple steps. And guys, if you are planning to buy this watch and didn't buy because of the Chinese version, then do check the link to our website where we have a detailed guide on how to change the app and firmware of the watch to English. So we have paired the Hey Plus with our phone. Now let's go to the feature of this fitness tracker. So the first thing is the watch face. The display looks gorgeous, colors are pretty good and you get 6 pre-installed watch faces. You can also use any image as watch face through the app, but it's limited to total 6 watch faces. Navigation is also quite straightforward. To select the option, you need to tap on it and to go back to the previous menu, you have this tiny white bar at the bottom of the screen. Talking about the menu options, first we have is the cards. Here you can add different NFC or RF cards, such as your Metro card, but right now it only works in China. And apart from that, you can also configure this fitness tracker to unlock doors using the NFC. I couldn't test this feature, so I'm not sure if it works or not after the firmware upgrade. Then we have the sports feature, where we have different activities such as running, cycling, treadmill, free training and so on. Next is the heart rate monitoring and you also have the option of continuous heart rate monitoring. The monitoring works pretty good and was accurate as well. With the Hey Plus, you can also control different Xiaomi smart devices, but unfortunately, we didn't have any right now to test it. The next option, data, shows you the current fitness data of the day. And in the settings, you can change the brightness and also use the find phone option. So as you can see, apart from the basic fitness options, we can't really use this fitness tracker much here in India or any other country. Features like NFC cards only works in China. But overall it's actually a good idea. If Xiaomi decides to launch this fitness tracker globally, then I'm sure this feature will be pretty handy. Imagine using your fitness tracker for metro rides and payments. In terms of the app, first of all this is a modified Hey Plus app which a developer translated to English. The app works like the official one and comparing it to the Chinese version, which was very difficult to download and set up this watch. The app asks for a Chinese number to activate, but if you log in through your Mi account, you will be able to activate it without any issue. So here is the app of this watch. The interface of the app is simple and you have the current step counts here on the top, and upon tapping on it, we have the historical step count, heart rate and sleep data. I have used this fitness tracker for over a week, and now talking about the performance, step count data is accurate for regular fitness activities, but when I use this fitness tracker while riding a motorbike, it added some additional step counts, so there is definitely a need of update there. Apart from that, the heart rate monitoring is perfect and the sleep monitoring is also quite accurate. But like the Mi Band 3, it had some issues. For example, I was watching a movie with the lights off and the app showed later that I was asleep that time. In terms of notification, here is how the call notification looks like, and here is the message notification. You can also select different apps to get the notification on this fitness tracker, and to access the notification on the fitness tracker, you have to swipe down when you're on the main watch face. Weather option doesn't work as it doesn't have any other cities apart from China right now. And lastly, we have similar race to wake feature, idle reminder and also goal achievement alert in this fitness tracker. So to sum it up, Xiaomi Hey Plus is without any doubt an excellent product. The screen is pretty good, and during our testing, we also find the performance good in direct sunlight. In terms of battery, with the continuous heart rate monitoring, we saw a dip of around 10% each day, which is really good, and this fitness tracker can easily give the battery backup of over 10 days. The things which I like about this fitness tracker, that it's waterproof up to 50 meters, looks stylish with the color AMOLED display, and the fitness data is also quite accurate. Now the things which could be improved is the English version of the app and the fitness tracker. And also, right now it's a bit expensive, keeping in mind the features you're getting sort of worthless outside mainland China. So to conclude, if you're looking for a fitness tracker from Xiaomi with a beautiful color AMOLED display and wants the fitness tracker for the purpose of tracking only your daily fitness activities, then the Hey Plus is a good option. But do keep in mind that there are other cheap fitness trackers available such as the Honor Band 4 and the Mi Band 3 at half the price with similar features. And guys, if you want us to compare this with any other fitness tracker, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Xiaomi Hey Plus fitness tracker. Let us know how you find this new fitness tracker from Xiaomi, and also, do you think this could be the next Mi Band 4? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.